So we're going to work on a bedmass problem again, but since there are no brackets in this question, we can completely skip out the b in the bedmass. We can also skip out the e since there are no exponents, but then we look at the d and m. You see that there is both division and multiplication, as well as both addition and subtraction. So now that we see that you can do either division or multiplication for your next step, and what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to work from left to right. Therefore, if we look at the equation, 20 minus 17 plus, what is that? 4 times 6 divided by 3 plus 12 divided by 2. And we notice right here that there happens to be an addition sign splitting up the two terms. What that means is you can do both terms at the same time. So then the next step would be to simplify that. So now we have 20 minus 17 plus 4 times 6, which is 24, divided by 3 plus 12 divided by 2 is 6. And now we look at our bedmass again. Do we have any terms that involve multiplication or division? Yes, we do. And it is right there. So then we bring everything we don't touch down. What is 24 divided by 3? 8. So now we look at it and we're like, hey, there is no more division or multiplication. There's only addition and subtraction. So now it's easy and we can just go on through term by term until we get to our answer. 20 minus 17 is 3 plus 8 plus 6. Now I'll do these two, which is 11 plus 6, which equals 17.